because I equal fun.
Carpania.
Here we are at Bibi's restaurant on the beach in Bocas del Toro, Panama, on Isla Carenero. This is one of my favorite restaurants in all of Bocas del Toro. Doesn't get much better than this. Just walking around in islands, no roads, just trails, little bridges, jumping over crabs that are popping out of random holes. This is the life. I'll take this all day, every day. Here we are at Bibi's restaurant on the beach on Isla Carenero. This is one of my favorite restaurants in all of Bocas del Toro. And it's going to speak for itself once you get inside and see it, to be honest with you. So let's go. Vamos. I come to Bibi's because the plates look like this. Absolutely awesome.